So people have really been talking about cryptocurrency of a late, and you seem lost. You don't even know what they're talking about. So today, in the next 59 seconds, I'm going to explain what is really cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is just digital money that exists online. It's not paper money, it's not coins, and it's not controlled by the banks. It exists on what we call blockchain. So what is a blockchain? Blockchain is just a digital record, just like a book digitally, where transactions are being stored and verified by computer worldwide. And then sometimes when they mention cryptocurrency, what comes to your mind is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just the first token that laid the foundation for what we have today. But in entirety, it's not cryptocurrency as people see. Because once you mention crypto, the next thing they hear, or people likely say, is Bitcoin. And then sometimes when you mention crypto, people only think of scams and other terrible experience that they have. But the truth is that cryptocurrency is an economy of its own. It has many branches beyond just trading, buying tokens, there are jobs. You can come in there as a writer, as a marketer. There are many opportunities that are attached to the cryptocurrency industry. It's an industry of its own. Just like real estate is an industry, agriculture is an industry, cryptocurrency is an industry. And if you stay close to Crypto-Fotismós, I will be explaining all these things in the next 30 days. I'll be running a consistent series to help newbies navigate their way in the Web3 space so that when you come in, you will not get lost, you will not get scammed. So stay close to Crypto-Fotismós and I will hold your hand and take you through the space. And finally, still feel lost, feel free to comment where in the comment section and I will pick it up, do my research, and I'll do a video on it. Ask your questions. I'm always open. Catch you in the next video.